So let's go with some impressions also from the instruments, that you can see sound and performance in direct relation. That will be a lot of fun for you as well. Let's go here now on to the motor road. I use the shifting pedals. Wow. So if I want to relax in between, you can go up here to the 7th gear, and then the car runs relatively silent. See here, 7th gear, 120 kilometers an hour, about 2000 RPM. And then you can, for example, wait to the road being cleared in front of you. Consumption is about over 20 liters. But I mean, of course, we did that performance test. So if you're riding it normally, you can also drop it like 5 liters down, but maybe also consumption won't matter for you so much with that car. It's really incredible. We're going 150 and it's really, again, feels like nothing. And don't underestimate the braking, because that always takes more time than accelerating in this case. And you have always to be ready to use the brakes properly. So, what about it here now? Wow. What do you think about the instruments and the acceleration here? Maybe once more from a little bit lower speed. That's always also interesting. So again, you can see when I'm not using the shifting pedals, what is the automatic doing. It's getting rougher on the road. You also hear that on camera. I have to hold on the steering wheel for that one, definitely. Sometimes you have the effect a little bit that the tires direct the steering wheel, and I mean that belongs to a feeling of a sports car, but you have to get used to that, definitely, that it's not only you that is controlling the steering wheel, you also got the direct contact to the road, definitely. Alright guys, what do you think?